even found like a goal to work towards. Things are finally starting to get fun. You think I could still keep my job? I get to keep seeing you too.
I see. It's obvious, Denji. You like somebody else, don't you?
I realized something just now. Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me. Everybody's after my chainsaw heart. What about my heart? Denji's heart. Does nobody want that?
I really do have feelings for you, Denji. Wasn't me pretending before.
For real?
Oh,